Hey, Alex. Okay, so we are back the higher range of the day almost. Well, second half of the day, higher range of second half of the day. Okay. I was kind of watching it. It would have been a good trading session, but
Yeah,
Yeah, well, it is what it is.
yeah. I got burned so much since last Friday. It's a big burn session.
Yeah,
Thursday, so like
don't tell
full
me.
week.
Don't tell me.
uh, yeah. All right. So looks like we recently had a breakout a minute ago.
Yeah, it's kind of power hour stuff, so I think we're gonna go for high.
Yeah.
Looks like
Okay.
extension. Here, my thing.
Yeah, might be a good entry for the 20 tick.
Yeah, I'm looking for 20 tick reversal. I'm kind of trying to align this entry as a filter with this area. I switched from 10 to 20 because it's too much detail on 10. And yeah, so basically what price does when it moves hard, right? It produces this
Mhm.
imbalances. So if given a chance, it wants to move back and feel this imbalances, right? But if there is like an empty zone, right, pretty much coincide with this very value gap. So you just kind of physical interpretation. So okay, pari value gaps they only kind of show you candles and wicks and crops. So it's kind of very approximative, right? And here is you see the order for real. So there is nothing to do. If it goes, it goes. But I mean, there is no any kind of magnetic situation to push it. But it wants to collect. So what we see here, the entry is here, but there is a gap here and there is a gap here. So our hope is gonna if this gap gonna be enough to stop it. If not, it's gonna obviously go lower, and this is our stop because otherwise it will be too far. You have to place it somewhere here or whatever. But let's see.
Yeah, almost
This
at
is
getting executed.
yeah, this is
Almost.
pretty much kind of my further entry I want to do because any more would constitute reversible trend. So basically, what I want to see here,
There we
okay,
go. You're in.
what I
Yep.
want to see quick move back so it doesn't stay below the line, below the VWMA for too long.
Hmm.
If it stays, I will reverse with reversal trade
Yep.
because it's not good. It means momentum builds up. But okay, it doesn't work really for so far, but we still didn't get here because it can propel us
Mhm.
a little bit lower. So we're still okay, still good. Go back to entry. Let's see, because this move was pretty fast, so it may reverse just as fast. So we need to see.
We need to see. Yep.
That's the whole idea. And we had the tweaks and everything. The price was tested. You see, on 5 minutes, it's pretty clear space. It's been already kind of cured with
Yep.
imbalances. So technically, there is nothing for price to do there. But obviously, if there is a momentum turn, nothing will stop it,
Mhm.
right? And possibly
Hey,
this is the situation now. Yeah,
yeah. This,
can happen. Nothing you can do. It's only
yep.
little filters, little helpers, right? But
Yep.
they can change market. Okay, well, that was pretty relentless. We even didn't get a chance to reverse our entry with shorter
Yep.
term. So nothing we can do right now here. Just need to wait a little bit.
Yep.
And my hope
Oh, what happened
now,
to your
it will
position?
reverse.
Did you flood it?
Sorry?
What
No,
happened
yeah.
to your position?
Oh, I got stopped out
Oh, you got
right
stopped
here.
out. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, interesting. I thought I saw it bounce before it hit the stop out, but okay.
You see the marker here,
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, it's hard to
but
see with all those lines on your screen, but
yeah, but like if you look at the second record
huh?
and second live stream, actually I put it like on less uh more laggy
Uh-huh.
setting, and actually it's so much better quality. You can check. Posted in the chat. So I will try to go on now if it allows me because this is also entry and we have
Okay.
like a little bit of space there. Okay, we're in. Let's see if it works. It's good. Moment reversal momentum up looks pretty decent. It should work. Little wiggle, little tail. It should correct up. Struggle, but so much sell orders here you can see. But
Mm-hmm.
they don't, for now at least, they don't necessarily move price lower, which is a good sign. It means there are limits that stop it, and
Mm-hmm.
limits are a sign of market maker because they mostly trade with limits or only trade rather with limits. They don't use market order. True.
Isn't well, hold on, you're long, but then the bots are signaling. Oh, you got long on the 10 tick. Okay.
Yeah, 10 tick because
Okay,
it's
okay,
a
okay.
reversal. Because on 20 it's a short signal, but you're never gonna catch reversal on 20 unless like volatility is like I don't know 20
Yeah,
30
yeah.
points up and down. Okay, that didn't work either. It's okay.
Okay. 20.
And I had a good
Okay.
trade before the fall, but it's okay. I kind of since last few days, even this string of losses on live account, didn't really upset me. Usually I get like a little bit upset, but now I know system works. We can read the market. So comes a little bit better market phase, we'll make it back and we'll make forward and we'll prosper. So I'm getting more and more confident with this stuff we have. It's just, it's like, it's to the tick, stop. Now it's going to reverse probably and go up. So we will partake again. No problem.
Yep.
It looks good. I mean, yeah, it's kind of got into this little phase, but looks good. No momentum yet. Let's, let's build up something. Maybe it breaks down. I don't know. Possible.
Yeah, it's kind of middle of nowhere. I would wait till 3:30 and then see where it goes for the final
Yeah,
30 minutes.
it's very, very close. I think we did
Yeah.
really good job on this stream. I listened to parts of it,
Mhm.
and I think for the first one together, I think it's pretty good. I was laughing so much when I heard my voice in this Jabra.
Yeah.
It's like I'm half drunk and half high. It's pretty good. For next one, I have like semi-professional M audio microphone, so I'm gonna use standalone microphone. More convenient to use this, but like the voice is it's not bad. I mean,
Looks like
it's
it's
just
gonna
so funny.
resume up move. Yeah.
Yeah. And we are looking to partake again. But the problem is it's going to be a bit too far away. I know.
Yeah.
It's okay, actually. It's okay. It's actually good entry. Good entry. There is nothing there, so it's easy to
Yep.
fill. And we have big block of orders sitting, not orders, but imbalance sitting here. Okay, we're long, we're strong. Hopefully we can go up. Yeah, it's doing better with you.
Feel better about this entry than previous one. Yep.
Oh yeah,
There we
I
go.
feel much better. But the previous one was actually good. It's just we got unfortunate enough to get stopped out. It was just 2 ticks away to
Yep.
actually work because it was classically shaped and they work like, I don't know, 80% of the time. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
we try, let's go.
Okay.
This is kind of like a big magnet. We should go because below we don't have nothing. The little bit of cluster here to fill. But here we have this block, this block. This kind of
Yeah.
buy orders that failed, market reverse. Here is the sell orders. So and they all like magnets. There is no much system you can come up with. Oh, you have to take buy levels or sell levels. No, they all like magnets.
There we
Okay,
go.
so we try to break up, but I think it may chop a little bit. So I don't really want to speed up with support. Okay, we'll do it like this. Cut my stop a little bit and have this
Then you
block.
move the stop loss to like 47 or something. So at least if it falls
Oh,
below.
almost. Look, this red one. Maybe the sell order are stopping it, you
Mhm.
know. But I think it will go because this move.
It'll
You
go to
see,
at least till 50. Yeah, so you're at 52 to lock in your profit. Yeah.
I think it will go. The problem is this big area because it's empty.
Hmm.
You need really strong kind of market buying to get
Mhm.
through, which can happen,
Yep.
but you don't know. But those orders they want to be filled, especially like if you moves up, it want to feel like buy imbalance,
Mhm.
long imbalance, right? But we
Mhm.
already filled it, so there is a sell imbalance, and it acts more a little bit like resistance, but it should take.
Mhm.
They
There we
still
go.
act. They all act like magnet, right? But
Yeah.
those are easy to go through, and same way, imbalance, selling imbalance, easy to go through on the way down. I think it will go.
Hmm.
We're in a slower market pace. We need to exercise some pace
Let's
and
give
just
it some.
hope it's not gonna take stop
Yeah.
loss before. Okay, so we took this little micro low, and if it moves, it's enough. Maybe they trick some people out of position because that would be break even for many people. And we'll see. Well, it's selling. So we test our entry. We see because this is how I kind of get shaken from most of my profitable traders because just moving break even system. Normally I would put to break even because we broke the high. The
Mhm.
problem now we're in a very choppy market phase. Yeah, I may pay the price, but the problem is if you move to break even too soon, you know, it's like you're never gonna make any money.
Yeah. I'll hold it too. Though there's some aggressive seller that needs to get out of the way.
Yeah, but you never know when it happens. Okay.
Yeah.
To
There we
the
go.
tick.
That happened
To
just
the
now.
tick. To
He
the
sold
tick.
and he got out of the way. Fucking
To the
A.
tick. Yeah, to the tick. Let's
Yeah.
see. I will enter manually if
Yeah.
we start regressing again. That's okay. Still good. So we're above.
Okay.
Okay, we're
330,
long
I
on
guess.
all orders, and we put just below, and we want to go here. Third time is a lucky charm. Should go.
Uh,
Little resistance from Bollinger. That's normal. The only problem I see now is there is a lot of empty space because we took this liquidity already, and there is
mhm.
really nothing. Bit hard to go. We need momentum for it. But maybe we'll try on the second try because we have some buying orders here, and
Yeah.
they provide some support a little bit. It kind of pulls price to them, but then they act as a support. But we will see. Okay, so white one. We'll see if it selected them. Now we should revert up. We'll see.
I'm more.
I think we should try to go in here.
Buying opportunity. Buy more.
I may buy more. If we break high, I will buy more. And I will put break even on the first order. Good go now. Looks very good on 5 minutes.
It looks good on everywhere.
Maybe that's
Except maybe
about time because
except
usually
maybe the 10 tick.
when it
It looks good on.
when it looks
Yeah.
bad, usually it works. Okay, a little bit of resistance here or
Yeah.
support, and selected.
Uh,
Still
yeah.
alive, still alive, still alive. Maybe,
Okay.
just maybe. Okay, that's a good result.
Good recovery. Yep.
Let's see if it continues. Because eventually, if it holds, it should push like crazy up. So definitely, I'm gonna buy more if we start recovering more. I think we have something like a level. If we break this level, I'll be buying more. Okay, we're
Okay.
breaking.
Now we're breaking it.
Oh, I can't Bulenox. I only can have 7 con. Okay, my average moved up.
Went up. You should bought higher. That's fine.
Let's go. We have this little bit of a line here that provides some resistance. So maybe
Mhm.
we can break it without taking out loss.
Uh,
Maybe not. I don't know. What do I know? But we already pushed lower boundaries, so it would support us here. But we have double bottom. That's not good. It's kind of supporting, but it's also magnetizing price. Just
yeah.
like this imbalance. And
Yeah.
there is a little bit of imbalance, not too much though. To kind of drag price there. I still think it should break up. Kind of manipulation game. Because if it breaks low, it's gonna drop. I don't wanna stay in it. I'm not gonna move my stuff.
I agree. If the breakdown is gonna go down far, at
Yeah.
least till 30.
If it
And these are
breaks,
not the 10 points. Yep. If it doesn't break, then it should go up. But like that guy that's selling at 50 is now moved down. It seems like it's aggressive.
yeah, but they can't make progress yet.
Now here we go. Yeah.
That's encouraging,
Here we go. Push up, break up. Go above 47.
Yeah, it's really.
Going above 47 would be
When I
awesome.
when I came to start trading again, we had
Yeah.
this move and it was actually doing all right. Now it got into rut again. And
Yeah.
I thought like, oh, it's a power hour. We should start moving. No, it did move for like 10 minutes, 2 bars, and okay, maybe
Volume
15
picking
minutes.
up. They're battling. They're battling. Let's see who wins.
Okay, okay,
And the
so
buyer lost. Yeah.
yeah, that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
That's a small one. Oh, account is blown, right?
What?
Yeah. He has a trailing drawdown because I had this good profit. Uh,
Oh,
and yeah, it's like $500 or something. That got me. Yeah, okay, I still have another one. Yeah, let's do the next one. I don't have plan to pass both enough to have, because I have to pay PA account. I only need one.
well, that reminds me. So hey, what happens up to a blown eval account on the next month? Because mine is set to
Yeah, it
what do
will
you call it?
renew. It will
It'll renew, okay,
and
at a price.
it will clear the bound. Yeah, at renewal price. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I because of blown account, I missed the century.
Okay. So if I just leave it alone, I guess I get it like $2 cheaper next week
Yeah,
instead
that's
of
right.
35 to reset. I
That's
pay
right.
33.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, we're in, but only on the contract. Didn't feel all of them. Okay, we will be more careful now. So if it breaks low, we break even. I was super convinced to just move up. It may still move up. I mean, it's like it's still super bullish. We may stop out on the trade because, but it's a kind of, yeah, it's a first entry, I would say. No, the first entry was here, so that would be a good trade, but it didn't reach profit, so not too far away. I think it still can push to 12 and maybe then revert because that kind of pattern here, I think they need to push a little bit lower. Sellers were pretty strong. Come on. Doesn't want to go anywhere. Others were so relentless. Now they suddenly give up and they move just a little bit. What happened to them? But this is kind of crappy power hour. It's just a rot. Doesn't want to
Yeah,
go.
it looks like things are consolidating, and then
We feel good. I
the
mean,
last 10 minutes should be
there
pretty
is a
good. It
big
should be
gap.
directional.
Yes, there is a gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the last 10 minutes
I
is
would
not
lock in
break.
your profit like right now since you're in the money.
I'm not in the money. Well, I
Oh, you are
right
right now.
now,
Just lock
right
in,
now,
lock in.
yeah, but it's like it's a split second in the money and out of the money and all
Ah,
this crap happening. Let's do it like this.
yeah. I don't think it's gonna go down much lower. It's gonna probably reverse and
Okay.
go up from here. So,
Oh,
yeah. And
next one,
probably a
please.
good idea to get long around here somewhere,
Yeah,
maybe.
that's what I'm thinking too. If it doesn't want to go lower,
Yeah.
we have to go long. I think it's gonna go somewhere, but according to
Yeah, yeah.
5 minutes, it still has this upward momentum. Let's try now
Yep.
to get in, but probably it will just rocket ship. That's why I was holding this initial long because I know if it starts to go,
Mhm.
it starts to go, will be zero entry, it will just rocket ship. And if it gives you an
In.
entry,
Okay.
it's
There you
big
go. You
gap.
got in.
Yeah, I mean it's like
Hopefully it works out.
still still chopping. Yeah, we have like good support here, but it's kind of low participation market. It can blow through
Mm-hmm.
any support very easily. But let's break this high. Okay, kind of. By one tick. I know it's gonna reverse. Okay, let's push again. What a crap mark. But look very good in 5 minutes, so keep longing. And top is actually in
Better
the
be
right
long
spot.
than short right now. But
Absolutely.
then, yeah. But yeah, I don't know
So,
if it's gonna get to
yeah,
your price.
whatever they go a little bit higher than middle of the range, they start selling like mad. Goes a little bit lower, they start buying like mad. They just want to keep it around center, around the center line. Okay. Now the thing
Okay,
is
here we
like
go.
if you
Let's
move to break
push.
even,
Yeah,
you will almost guaranteed break even, right? So
yeah.
instead you should take profit. Where you want to put to break even, you should just take profit.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it's gonna be BS. But I still think it should go up. This is crap, man.
Yeah. Come on, let's go up.
Last
Push.
try. Last try. Last try. Let's break this little high and I will move myself. Last time, of course. Of course not. Of course it's not gonna give me a chance.
Okay, hold on, it's got the bottom Bollinger on the 10 ticks. Maybe
It's
it'll
moving
bounce off
pretty
of it.
crazy. It's moving pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can move my stop up. Will we go now, please?
Come on, we gotta clear 48. There we go. Cleared 48. We're gonna push up.
Oh,
Go, go, go. 50. Go, 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 go.
Staples is good. Staples is good. Lots of buying. Lots of buying. Lots of buying. A little bit of fraud. Come on, buyers.
50. Let's go. 50.
Where are your block orders? Where are your block trades?
Yeah.
Getting stuck.
Yeah.
That was very fast. That
Yeah.
was very fast. Okay. Better something than nothing. And it drops like hell.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I feel like they want to
Well,
break
chance
it
to get in
down.
that right now.
I
Get back
feel
in
like
right
they,
now. 33.
no, no, no. I feel like they're going to break it down, man. You just watch it. They will break it down. They can't, they
There
can't
we go.
put it.
Okay.
They can't put it. They will break it down. But there will be runaway train. You can't enter it. Because now it's just weak, right? And it may
Mm-hmm.
reverse. But I think still it wants to go down.
It's gonna go up. Let's see.
Now it's
Let's
getting
see what the
better.
next
Now
uptrend
it's
looks like.
getting better. If we
Yeah.
break those lows and we're breaking them now, I wanna be a
We'll
part of
start
it.
attempting. Yeah. We're attempting now.
Okay, we're
Mhm.
short. Let's see how it works.
Okay. You might be right.
I don't know, man. It's a crappy market. The problem is you're right on entries, but you have to take very small profit. It just doesn't want to go anywhere. It moved 10 ticks and momentum completely reversed. And it's not about you being wrong. It's just market is like that. You just can't expect it to move because it doesn't want to move. And yeah, but I mean, I can trade with like 5 tick stop loss. You just it's gonna be constant stop out. Oh, in this case it wouldn't, but it's a bit crap anyway. You see, I will put to break even and it will go up immediately. It just doesn't want to go anywhere. Ah, whatever. I'm done.
Okay.
It's just exactly like yesterday. Just crop and crop. He just cycle, jumps up and down. We had decent moves today, very decent moves, but then it kind of started being like bad, and I walked away in the right time, and I looked. Oh, okay, power hour starting, and we broke out. We should go for day high. No, we're gonna build another triangle. We're gonna build another crap. Jesus Christ. And well, now, but I wanted this candle to reverse first. I'm not gonna participate now anyway. I wanna at least I wanna close inside the triangle. Otherwise, you're just participating in this madness. And it's like 15 minutes to go, and it doesn't want to move anymore. What crap. Okay. And what is 4 minutes to go? Is it? No. Oh, yeah. This candle closed and
5 minutes
new
till the
candle.
murder bots. Yep.
Yeah, whatever.
All right. So I guess it'll drift down from here. It
Yeah,
couldn't
maybe.
get to the previous
Yeah, there
high.
is
We
a
only got
yeah,
halfway. So
there is a lot of imbalance. At least this red one should be taken pretty easily, but this could provide some sort of support. I don't know.
mhm.
So there is no much room to go. That's why it's so choppy. There is so much stuff and so little movement. It doesn't
And no
want to
one wants
pretty.
to push it down too much, given the
Nobody.
time, I guess. So,
Yeah, but like, look, it's just flat lining. I mean, yeah, up and down, and rotating around zero line. So, but look at
mhm.
this. It's actually interesting. So what we see here is cumulative
Mhm.
delta, basically difference between all buy and sell
Yep.
contract during
It's
the
zero.
session, right?
Yeah.
And it's zero. It's rotating
Yeah. Yeah.
around zero, so it's like complete indecision. There is like zero conviction about this market. There is zero net balance. So it's like exactly the same volume of sales as buys, market orders, which is the worst market condition you can trade in. It's like it doesn't want to move anywhere, but it's gonna jump and stop out here all the time. And when you ride, it just doesn't want to move.
Gonna play the murder bot play today?
Yeah, I feel good. Why not? I feel good.
Yep.
I'll get enough and put enough account. No problem. Um, yeah. So what we need, we want to do Traveler bot,
Yep.
and let's set it up. Traveler bot, plate on and queue, and we select the remaining account.
There's the move down, drifting down,
Yeah,
happening
34,
finally. Yep.
and we will go with core contract. We'll go with 5 points distance and 10 point stop, 10 point profit. That sounds okay.
10 point might be too far out for today, maybe like 7 or 8.
Yeah, maybe.
I,
Maybe you're
I
right.
don't think it's 10.
Like normally I use 30 ticks, which is 7.5.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Today doesn't seem like a 10 point type of day.
Yeah, it's a bit too much for this one. But now we're back to VWAP, right? Now we're back to VWAP.
And Murdo should
1
kick
minute
in right
to
around
go.
here, one direction or another, and then resume right back here.
That's right. Right. Let me test. Wow. Something is configured? No. Point. Yeah, 4 points. I can't. I need to put recon. And 4. Yeah, that's okay. And yeah, it's too fast, so I will put like something like 5 seconds. Yes. And we
Use
should
3.
use
You got 20 seconds. Use like 3
yeah,
seconds.
we should
Yeah.
use something more news too, because not all news like lightning fast. Today we would make a lot of money on GDP if I didn't use 1 second.
I got
It's
5 seconds, man.
just
Let's go.
moving orders way too fast.
There it was. I
Yeah,
missed it.
pretty.
You missed it. Yeah. Too late.
That's okay. That was not. Wouldn't feel it anyway.
It things happen every minute, by the way, on the Murderbot. That's when the imbalance republishes every minute.
I
There's other
oh
smaller movements on every minute intervals, and then
could
a
be,
bigger one
yeah,
at 5.
could be.
So
Yeah, but nothing is really happening. Whatever. We'll wait
yeah,
for
yeah.
the
I'll
next.
kill it now. Yeah. So
We try to go up. Actually, it's a good point because we have double bottom on right on view up, so it might work.
let's see what it does.
Let's see what it does. There's a huge order block sitting here, but not too much imbalance. What is interesting, so it could be easy to break lower. So let's prepare. If it breaks view up, we go low. We go short. And I think next motorboat will join us. So we should try to hold. But 5 minutes is long now. It's too long to be able to hold, but depending on market. Pretty strong. It's like quadruple low. If we can break it and not just this one small week, but like at least put a candle there. Like there is a lot of block buying trades. They can't really reverse the market. So they could be able to give up under view
Oh,
up to extend this. Okay.
we broke. Started it's short.
So
Yep.
we scored and let's go for this.
And let's go. Yep.
Maybe too
I
much.
don't know if it's gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna go that much, but
We'll see, we'll see. I rarely hold
yeah,
them. I always cut short when it starts to kind of put some block trades against me.
I don't like it. It's not going. There we go. Now it's going.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a little bit of station. No? Okay. That doesn't look very good. Time to cut it. And let's see what more about that. 1.5 minutes
okay.
ago. But it was okay. Trade
It's okay. Yeah.
450. So this account is up $800. So we only need to go to 2200. But can we do it today on Mordor? We need to go 7 contracts and still bit too much. Hmm. Well, actually, like 10 points.
Ah, there we go. It broke down. It would have gotten to your price right now. Oh
Yeah,
well.
doesn't matter. No, I just like there is no sorcery. I just look at the level when the red level starts,
Yeah,
basically
yeah.
fill in balance because this is kind of magnet and it may go through, but there is a likelihood it will provide some reaction. But like buying levels, once it starts to tap into them, it will fly through them. Let's see, maybe the motorboat will reverse because we've got this move already. Oh, there is like big sell, big buying limit, 45, and there is another one, 42. Oh, there is a, what is happening? 15 seconds. So shall we run
And on the
straddler?
spot
Shall we run
straddler. Yeah.
straddler? Okay.
Okay.
Five,
5 seconds. Go.
4, 3, 2, start. Oh, what?
Ooh, that was fast.
Oh
Was the
no,
move up?
it started I think a bit earlier than necessary.
Um,
No, I think it's done.
Oh, yeah, opportunity gone. It's okay.
No, I
It's
should push
the end of
1 second
close
forward.
move right now. Yeah, it's gonna go one direction, not
No, they did
and then
reverse. They did reverse. They
yeah,
did
yeah.
reverse.
Yeah. Wow,
No,
almost full reversal.
yeah. I think it will go higher. I'm trying to partake in it. I don't think upward momentum is finished. Like it's way too big
I
bar.
think momentum looks
And
like
we
it's
still,
running out now.
yeah, I don't know. It's 4 minutes to go, man. That's a lot of move can happen. Okay, we broke.
Mm, Not
Uh-oh.
really. If it clear break, then yeah, get long for
Okay.
another 10 points. But
Time.
if not, then I would
Uh,
short.
yeah. Anyways, I was break even. Once it touched the high, or broke by 1 tick, whatever. Because I know it can do some damage. But it doesn't change the fact momentum is still up. So we'll look if it reverses up again. If it goes down, I'm not so convinced. Because we can go down to 13, and there is like 4 minutes to go, and so there is nothing we can do. Something happens right now, I'll partake, but otherwise, forget it.
It's something up and down, but it's gonna be too slow to get in. You're gonna have to get in manually.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, I kind of miscalculated how long it's gonna take because it lost a little need. No, it doesn't load any history really. Bollinger bot load has to load history, so it can take a couple of
Okay,
seconds. But this bot actually doesn't load any history because it
okay,
doesn't
it's
care.
going up slowly.
We're long,
Okay,
we're strong,
long, good. Yep, it should get to you. Hopefully,
maybe not.
a minute and a half. A minute and a half. You should go. You should go.
Okay, let's
This is
go, let's
part of the
go.
closing strategy. You should go.
Yeah, sell it. No, they will reverse again. Okay, break even
All right,
again.
route. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the right choice. It's doesn't seem to have the volume that it needs to have at this time.
Yeah, I
So
mean, like, yeah, that's really plenty of volume, and then, but we already reversed the price, but we almost, but not yet reversed the delta, cumulative delta.
2 minutes.
It might go, but like 2 minutes. But we will get, oh, actually, so you know what we can try? We can try to run the Straddler bot on market close because it moves like hell lately. It can move like 10 points, 20 points easy. When market closes, actually it starts to jump. And usually it's directional. It's not like on some news or open when it just spikes up and down. It's actually directional. The only thing is probably 5 points too much. Maybe we need to do like 2.5. No, it's like 10 ticks. No,
Okay.
five is
Yeah.
okay. Otherwise, it would be way too close.
Well, you missed picking up last minute. 1 more minute to go.
Yeah, I will start it like 5 seconds before. Should be enough.
Yep.
Let me test it. Yeah, like, oh,
Hey,
there was a delay actually pretty significant. I don't know why. Maybe because price jumps and it tries to, I don't know. Shouldn't be working like that. Maybe some lag because price moves
40
like
seconds.
pretty crazy.
Short. Yeah. Short. Like
Anyways,
right around
I'll
here.
push
Yeah.
it like 7 seconds before, so we have a little bit of extra room.
After market closes, it's gonna go going down to the lower Bollinger. I bet.
Wow, it's pretty active. Just look at the tape. I think they front run. Okay,
Yep.
53. I'm pushing.
There we go.
We're in,
Close. There we go. Yeah.
and we go higher. Yeah, we can. Oh, it doesn't close me. How nice.
Okay. No,
Maybe
wow,
it's
that
good,
was a good move.
but it doesn't close my position. It just froze. Oh, okay, it's closed, but it's reopened. Fuck. But it's okay. We didn't lose any.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a good trade. We made 450, but we gave back $40 on this kind of shenanigan because it couldn't close.
Okay.
But it's closing liquidity. I kind of understand. On real
Okay,
market,
old short right here. Gonna give it back. Gonna revert the last minute
I
move.
don't
It's
know.
gonna come back to
I don't
40s,
know.
30s.
Yeah, obviously it's not gonna go for the high, but it could.
Yeah.
It could. We still have an hour before market fully closed electronically. Well, it's always electronic, but like RTA already closed 1 minute ago.
Mhm.
But we have this high, 66, 6 points away. I think it will go higher. I don't think it's reverse, but I don't know how.
Usually, what the first there once it get a first down tick on a 20, it gets a second and then just like melts from there. But that didn't happen.
Hmm.
Interesting.
Lately, I normally I don't trade the close, but lately I noticed it's very directional. The first impulse, maybe a little
Mhm.
bit of hesitation, and then it just increased, and it can move a lot. I think last few days it moved like 20, 30 points within the next
Mhm.
few minutes, and then it added one or more. So it kind of keep pushing and pushing. Obviously, it's not like a universal pattern, but lately it's been like that. Before we didn't have much volatility on market close, but now it seems like we have. Okay, we're breaking up again. I don't know if you bought full trade because it seems like execution is incredibly slow. We got our order in. Oh, there is a nice location with some buy orders that can come for the price, and there is a gap that could protect us. Okay.
No, if you get two down bars, I would be careful. It'll just go melt right through like a slicing
Yeah. I
knife.
don't like this kind of trend line on
Yeah.
on tick time frame. If it breaks, it can fall. I want to see it breaking actually this 50 contract limit order first. If and then it may jump back. Okay, it's taken, and hopefully it will push because I want my entry to be within this kind of line
Mhm.
till too early. Because yeah, like no, actually it looks good on the imbalance. Looks good. One more push, please. Let me drag my entry in. Oh well, we broke high. I think we can move higher. There is a lot of orders there. Okay, we're breaking up. I think it's for real.
Okay, so far no down move. So yeah. Okay.
Okay, I like where my order is right now. Come on, let's take it and let's reverse. Okay, we're in. Can we go back, please? Go. Let's go. Yeah, we're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. Push high. Push high. Push high. Push. Stay so much. I
You
don't.
good? All right. Good call.
That's all right.
Yeah,
Ah,
good call. Yeah.
330, 330. Yeah, that's okay. No, we lost one account, but we made 1500 or 1456 on another one, so it's halfway to pass. So we can maybe hopefully pass tomorrow. If not, we get another one. My wife hates me and my trading. Money flies away. from credit
Yeah.
cards.
All right, solid. Now this is the double down tick here. This is gonna go down.
No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not partake in any shenanigans. I'm only interested in this directional move. When it's over for me. And it, it's 505, man. That's more than enough. Market closed. I shouldn't be trading after 5 o'clock. But what is interesting, I noticed like Apex always, and I'm trading with Apex probably from November
Hmm.
or December. I was trading because I was a top step guy. I passed one and only account back then. I only bought because they cost a lot of money. Back in the day, it was 2013, 11 years ago. Um, 250K account cost like $450 per month, right?
Thanks.
Yeah. So there was no discount. The prices are kind of similar now, but they like heavily discounted. So like list price is similar, but they have because of competition. There was no competition. It was only top step. But I was the first person in history who passed 250K account from the first go because I took it like a practice account and I traded like I perfected I was trading just GC gold and I only traded this, perfected, and they had like it was so much more difficult than now because they had like 11 rules and it was like, oh, your trade duration shouldn't be less than this amount of seconds, or your combination of how much winning trades, how much losing trades. So basically, what I have to do because like what happened is, and there was no micros, no nothing, like no micros,
Hmm.
no just minis and stuff like
Hmm.
that. And you had like same like now they didn't have training drawdown, but they had daily loss limit and so basically, the most difficult rule was your
Hmm.
losing trade uh, shouldn't be longer than your winning trade, which is absolutely ridiculous.
That's
So
ridiculous. Yeah.
yeah, and that was the biggest, and I had to build a new system around it. Plus, I built curation stuff. So basically, if my winning trade and
Hmm.
all of my winning trades were smaller because I was just trading for like 570x on GC, which is kind of a lot more than 570x on NQ because GC doesn't move anywhere close, right? So it's like 15x, which is not too little really, but I was trading like high liquidity levels, so where price breaks, so basically breakout like daily high, daily low, and it worked really good. So price would fill me in less than 1 second when it works, and you have to give it a little bit more room because it can spike down and then push, right? So always my winning phase were much shorter. So I had winning phase usually like 2 seconds and losing phase like 8-10 seconds. So what you had
Hmm.
to do, you had to go and place like um, a lot of losing trades for one tick, right?
Hmm.
So your
That's hard.
losing trades
Yeah.
are on average
It
take
is.
less
Yeah.
time than you win into, which is retarded. You have to go
That's
and push,
retarded.
lose one contract, one tick stop, and get filled, get filled, get filled, get filled, and you have to give away a significant amount of money just to pass this through, which was super ridiculous. And then this guy Hog, I talked a lot to him back in the day. Probably he doesn't remember me, of course. Really, they had totally different website, totally different YouTube channel. They had like traders interview because it was not anywhere close so much traders like now. So they had like personal approach to everyone, and they put some music, and they asked me which music because it was a big event when somebody passed to live. Because back in the days there was no pay account or express funded, how Top calls them. So back in the days they put you right on live account like live
Mm-hmm.
brokerage account with real money. So you,
Mm-hmm.
but you had to do like two eval back in the day. So first you do normal, and then you do like preparation eval, something like that, with which much smaller profit target, much shorter in time. Oh yeah, and you had to trade like a minimum amount of day, which was something like 15 days. So it's like a lot longer. And also they had this kind of scaling rule, and they had like a bunch more rules for live accounts, so you can start creating like even if you have like 10, 15 contracts. And I think they had like 15 contracts for 250 account. But they tell you, oh, you have to write the trading plan and we have to approve it so you can start trading with two, maybe one or two, and then you go like everything. So it's like super hard. It's like it's to to make you lose money for them harder because they put actually real money. Back in the days, they actually put everybody. So it was big event. So they ask, okay, we'll do a trader interview live on YouTube, and we put like intro music, choose music. I chose the game, song The Game by Motorhead. I'm a big Motorhead fan. It was
Middle.
awesome,
Mm,
and I never
mm,
saved it, and they have totally new YouTube. So basically, there is nothing. And it was good fun. It was like long interview, like 15 minutes or something, like pretty sizable. And the documents, like this whole guy, AG, same guy, same base crew was there. It was big event, big stuff. Yeah, so that's how it was. It was very interesting time. Yeah, but what I was saying about Apex, so yeah, so that was top step. But with Apex, back back what we were talking 10 minutes ago before my rant. So always Apex would auto-close your position at something like 505, right? Or 5010, something like that. Now they don't close it, right? You leave position open, they don't care. Even though it's like written, we auto-close risk they don't have risk manager anymore. I think they completely overwhelmed. And I think we had all this months of terrible or 2 months of terrible execution because of their crazy sell strategy, right?
mm,
So I think it just couldn't cope. They switched off all the perks. And if you leave order open or position open, it will stay. And what happened is the exchange actually kind of cashed or closed position when electronic hours closed, like 6 p.m. New York, and they reopen it automatically when they open 1 hour later at 7 p.m. But obviously a different price. So they kind of close you and they reopen you at market price. Obviously,
mm,
yeah, but this is how it works in live account too, which is super surprising, right? Because like if you're in the stock market, you just buy or sell whatever and market
mm,
close. Even some symbols don't even trade after hours, before hours, whatever. It just stays in. But here, because it's so much leverage involved, they actually close you for the
We
gap.
close you, and then so during the gap, no one take
Yeah,
the
so
profit
you
or
can't
loss.
trade. Yeah, you can't trade the gap in the future. And remember, back in the day, it was never like that. I was holding those positions. Now I can see when I wake up in the morning, if I have in a position, I look, position is there, but the amount profit and loss is completely different. Even though the price is kind of the same, but what happens? They kind of book your P&L to the previous
Mm-hmm.
day, and they kind of virtually reopen it, right, for the next day.
Mm,
So it's
okay.
completely weird system, and it has to do. And back in the day, I don't really remember seeing any of it. And I had like trades overnight, like quite a bit of time. Maybe like once in a month, I would hold some overnight stuff. Like on oil, when I was trading oil, I was doing it all the time because oil moving much slower and some events and everything. You actually want to hold it. Yeah, it's big risk, but not as big as in Q. In Q is really risky to do overnight. But this is what happens now. They kind of pass it virtually reopen, same price, but the difference in price they book you as a previous day profit or loss, which is mega weird. But anyways, Apex doesn't do any of it. So Exchange, whatever simulator they use, does that, but they don't have any more risk management. I think they just can't cope with the amount of people they serve. They just shut it off and didn't tell anybody. So I know for a fact you can hold position overnight, even though against anything they write, and they explicitly say we close it, but they don't close.
Mm,
Very interesting. So actually, I was recording. If you're okay with it, we can upload it as a video.
Oh,
and
yeah. Okay.
keep building up our videos. I think we have
Wow.
interesting rants and talks, so maybe pretty entertaining. Because if some of you guys listening to our chat, and compare to most other traders who are novices, right? And maybe they trade well relatively, who knows for how long, but on the prop firms and they can come up with a prop firm beating strategy, whatever. But I never encountered really in futures trading in this kind of new generation, let's say futures trade. I'm not talking about like giants like Future Trader 71, like this Italian guy, like guys I learned from like 15 years ago. They know
Mhm.
market inside out, but all these new guys, they don't even spend an hour to learn how internals work, how actually they all say, oh, market makers moving, but what market maker is doing? What kind of strategies they employ? What is their goal? What is their risk management? They have no idea. Some of them don't know how much tick costs. They don't know nothing. So listen to us, guys. We have big experience, and I've been in trading since 2009 and since 2011 almost exclusively in futures and some crypto, but most time in futures. And Kevin here, he's doing futures now, but he was actually big time, really big time prop trader on equity desk and very, very well known firm, trading millions of dollars, real money, not this funky confetti they call prop
Yep.
trading now. Totally different stuff. Real money, real bank, real cash. So I think this is the experience you most likely won't get anywhere. Oh, I now remember this Italian guy. He's not Italian. He's American, of Italian descent, perhaps. Antoni Crudeli. He's he used to post on Twitter. I don't know, maybe he's still posting, but it's been a long, long time. But he was like spot on. And Future Trader 71 also was extremely good. And I think he still trades. He still does market prep before start. So this is what we learn from, but we don't see new generation doing it. They just learn. It's casino game for them. So basically, just prop, you know. And I bet my right arm 99% of those in quotes winning prop traders put them on live account, real money live account, they will blow it. Because all their trading strategies, well, not all, but absolute majority from what I saw, and I looked at many of them, channel, it's actually kind of way to beat prop trading rule. They won't teach you how to trade because you can't pay $20 and reset your live account, right? And prop traders are relatively new. I think Top Step started in around 2011, 2012, but all the rest is very, very new. And the way it kind of developed, it's kind of total casino. It's kind of on par or even worse than most of this bucket shop for Forex overseas because they do exactly the same. They don't put you to live market. They don't put you on interbank. They just keep you, and they supposed to manage your risk. So basically, it's called B-book, and but mostly they don't. So if you make money on a trade, they pay. So they make everything possible so you lose. It's actually the same here, but it's kind of regulated. But I have a feeling it's not for long. I think SEC will dig eventually because they're very slow, but once they take momentum, they actually move pretty hard. So my advice, learn how to trade that works on real money and treat your prop account like real money because this is invaluable skill. And even if prop trading, this type of prop trading goes away and you make money from them, put it in life account and you set for life, hopefully. So that's something I wanted to say before we leave. And anything, Kevin, you want to share with our audience?
No, I think that's a good closing remark. And, just trading is fun. So let's have fun and make some money.
Absolutely. We're here to make money and have fun. So right now we are closing the stream. Thank you very much, Kevin. We will come back soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, but we definitely will do it. Bye all.